In last video from the correlation chapter, we have discussed how to calculate rank difference method of correlation. In today video also we are going to discuss another one methods of the correlation, that is called concurrent deviation method. When we are not sincere about the value of the correlation, which is the value of the correlation, whether the value of the correlation is moderate degree, lower degree, higher degree, only just we want to know whether the correlation is positive or whether the correlation is negative. We do not want to having any concern with the degree of correlation, how much degree of the correlation is over there. Only just we want to know whether the correlation are in positives or are in negative. Then we can use that method, that is called concurrent deviation method. With the help of this method, we can get the direction of the correlation, whether the correlation is positive or negative. So by using this method, the formula for this method, that is concurrent deviation method, that is plus minus under root 2c minus n divided by n, plus minus 2c minus n divided by n, and value of n, that is n minus 1. C is total number of plus value, and n is, so it's a very easy method to calculate. The concurrent deviation method is very easy for calculating. What we have to done, only with the help of the sign we can calculate the correlation, whether the sign is positive or negative. So the formula will be plus minus under root plus minus 2c minus n upon n. If 2c minus n value are positive, then we will keep positive, negative will be disallowed. It means if 2c minus n is positive, then this formula will be 2c minus n upon n. If 2c minus n is negative value, then formula will be negative minus 2c minus n upon n. So getting this negative plus multiply by negative, it will be converted to the positive, and the positive value is over there, then we will having the under root of this. So this is minus, plus and minus. We have to keep what is the value of 2c minus n. If the 2c minus n is positive, then we will keep both positive here. This one is also positive, this one is positive. If the this value is negative, then we will keep both these values negative to get the correlation. It's a very simple method to get the correlation. Very simple method is over there. What we have done, 89 to 85 minus. If decreasing, we will write minus. If increasing, we will write plus. So here 89 to 85 decreasing, minus 85 to 98 increasing, plus 98 to 102 decreasing, minus 102 to 100, 98 to 102 increasing, that is plus 102 to 100 decreasing, minus 100 to 105 increasing, plus value 105 to 96 decreasing, minus 96 to 68 decreasing, minus this increasing, plus this increasing, plus this decreasing, minus this decreasing, minus. So the very first we have to sign out this. Okay. Then in Y series also, 32 to 33 increasing, that increase, 35 to 37 increase, 37 to 39 increase, 39 to 41 increase, this decrease, this decrease, this increase, this decrease, this decrease, and this decrease. So firstly we will get the sign of this. Now getting the value of C, we will having the multiplication of sign. For concurrent deviation method, we required multiplication of sign. Minus and plus, minus, plus plus plus, plus multiply plus plus, minus multiply plus minus, plus multiply plus plus, minus multiply minus plus, minus multiply minus plus, plus multiply plus plus, plus multiply minus minus, minus multiply minus plus, minus multiply minus plus. So we will seeing this. What we have done? The very first we in X series we have seeing this decrease, so minus. Here increase, so plus. Here increase, so plus. Here decrease, so minus. Here increase, so plus. Here decrease, so minus. Similarly, we have done increasing plus, increasing plus, increasing plus, increasing plus, increasing plus, decreasing minus, decreasing minus, increasing plus, decreasing, decreasing, decreasing minus minus. Then plus, plus minus minus, plus plus plus, plus multiply plus, minus multiply plus, minus plus multiply plus, minus multiply minus, minus multiply minus plus, minus multiply minus plus multiply plus, the getting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So C value is 8. So concurrent deviation method, that is plus and minus under root plus and minus 2c minus n upon n. Number of items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So n is equal to capital N minus 1. So n is equal to 11, 12 minus 1. That is 11. Okay. Now we will keep plus and minus. Plus and minus. 2 multiply 11. Sorry, value of C is 8. Minus 11 upon 11. So 2C minus n, that is 16 minus 11. That is 5 is positive value. So we will keep plus 16 minus 11 upon 11. So the value of 5 upon 11. So for getting correlation, 5 divided by 11, getting under root of this 0.674. So the result of the correlation, that is 0.674. So with the help of this concurrent deviation method, whether we are to calculate correlation only to know whether the correlation is positive or negative, we will use this concurrent deviation method. It's a very easy method. If we will get this negative, then we will use these negative sign. If we are saying that 2c minus n is positive, then we will use both positive signage over there. So always we are having a very easy methods to calculate correlation. If this value will be negative, then the value of the correlation will be negative. If this value is positive, then the value of the correlation will be positive. So with the help of this concurrent deviation method also, we can calculate the correlation value. Although this method is not so important, never I have seen in the examination also, but this is also a part of this chapter. That's why I have discussed this method to you. That is all from my side in the correlation chapter. I think the whole chapter, if you will go through, you will get the benefit of to learn correlation. Thank you very much.